Alright, yo guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my custom BMX here. Got it from One Way Mac. So let's get right into it. So, the tires I have are fly bike tires. They ride nice and smooth. I like them very much. Like really lightweight, I think. The rims that I have on here are fly bike rims too. These pegs are, I don't know what pegs I have on here. That's 4 pegs. My seat is a Kink BMX seat, and I like it. The cranks, Kink. My chain guard is an Odyssey LA Guardia. I don't know what my chain is. I really have to clean off my bike though. I'll clean it off tomorrow probably. My stem is a Kink with that cap in there is an Odyssey. Brakes or gyro Odyssey. My brakes are Odyssey. Got ODI grips on here, ODI bar ends. Fork is a Kink. These Odysseys. Shit. My frame is Kink. Kink. My pedals are DMR bikes. Got some nice pedals. They're metal. I don't recommend metal pedals. I'm probably going to get Curb Dog plastic pedals pretty soon, because I really like the Curb Dog pedals. They look nice and all. What did I miss? Oh yeah, the bars. These bars are Kink bars. I don't know what the full name of them is. I just know that they're Kink bars because I just got this bike. Anything I'm missing? Oh yeah, chain. Chains, Shadow Conspiracy chain. Pretty nice. My freewheel, I don't know what my freewheel is. I'll show you what it sounds like, how loud it is. So that will be it for my 2017 BMX bike check. And I hope you liked it. Oh, one more thing. My hubs are Mission Siege hubs. Alright, so that will be it. Alright, guys. See you guys.